Hello and welcome to the video lecture on variations of the star schema. So up until now we've been talking about the star schema, and the star schema being much like a wheel, right? You've got your fact table in the middle, and you've got your dimension tables. You can have variations of that. So for instance, you can have multiple fact tables. This gets known as the constellation or snowflake type schema. So this can improve performance again, because if now you're breaking up dimensions amongst various fact tables, your fact tables are going to get smaller. So this can improve performance. It's often used to store facts for different combinations of dimensions, and we can talk about what are known as conformed dimensions. So you can have multiple fact tables, so that's one variation. Going the other way is that you have factless fact tables. So there's no non-key data, but the foreign keys for these, so all we have in it are foreign keys. So all it's doing is keeping track of things like events and inventory. So the table itself doesn't have any facts. Like when we were talking about stores, we were talking about dollars, dollars revenue, dollars cost, products sold, that kinds of things. Now we're talking about a fact table that is nothing but foreign key attributes. And again, this should be very, very similar in your mind to what's going on in an associative entity. We have associative entities that simply linked two tables together and didn't have attributes of their own. That is the same here. So now we have a fact table, which for all intents and purposes is an associative entity in the data warehouse that doesn't have any facts to keep track of. It's simply joining the dimensions together. Alright, so that is the end of my video lecture on the variations of the star schema.